the collection of all data, such as responses, measurements, or counts that you want information about. So I wanted information about all you 23 students, including the imaginary students. What was the information I was looking for? Your hair color, your shoe size, your opinion on abortion. So that you guys, the whole 23 students of you, were my population. Notice. Okay? All of them wanted to, but I had to rein them in. Sample. Short definition. Go to write the definition for a sample. A subset of the population. A subset. So we're only going to define 4 words today when we're done with our notes. I'm not going to try to kill you guys today. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to kill you, but not today. It's actually on YouTube. You can just show it. A subset. A subset of the population. So in my example, what was my subset of you guys? But what was the subset? I took a section of you guys. What was that subset? What? The 10 students. So the sample of 10 students was my subset. That was my sample. I randomly select 10 of you. That was a sample. Next word. The next word's called a parameter. Go and write that down. A parameter. These are big-time statistics words that you'll see in college for sure. What was the parameter? Go and write that down. A numerical description of a population characteristic. You rocking it? I'm willing to give an extra stamp for someone to give me what? Well, numerical means what? When you hear the word numerical, what does that mean? Number. So on the board, all these numbers that I wrote down, what number describes a population characteristic? 20. Good try. 17. Right? Remember the population? Good job, Rojas. 17% of the population thought abortion should be illegal. So the 17% describes the characteristic, namely the opinion of abortion of the population. So 17 in this case would have been the parameter. And the last word for today is the word statistic. What the heck is a statistic? Write that down, please. A numerical description of a sample characteristic. A numerical description of a sample characteristic. What number describes a sample up here? The 20%. The 20% of the randomly 10 students that I picked thought abortion should be illegal. This would be the statistic. The 17% would be the parameter. So 20 describes the sample. That's the key. The 20% describes sample. The 17% describes population. We're going to talk more about this tomorrow. Please do not lose your notes. Take about a 1-minute brain break. I'm going to call you guys one at a time to type in your points, your respect and productivity points on your stamp sheet from last week. And I'm going to pass back quiz 31 today. I'm giving you a good half hour to get some work done. Get big busy. Go. Cool.